Jinan Fudeng Construction Machinery Company Limited is a comprehensive service provider specializing in the export of second-hand construction machinery. Since its establishment, the company has been committed to offering cost-effective total solutions for construction machinery to global customers. With over a decade of deep involvement in the industry, it has developed a complete supply chain management system and quality control system, thus forging unique competitive advantages in the recycling, inspection, renovation, and export of second-hand construction machinery. Fudeng Machinery's main products include second-hand construction machinery equipment from internationally renowned brands such as XCMG, SANY, Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, Shandong Linggong, and Lugong, covering a full range of products from small excavators to large mining excavators, including excavators of various tonnages, wheel, crawler loaders, truck cranes, road rollers, bulldozers, graders, etc. Fudeng Machinery is well versed in the global construction machinery market and has established an international marketing network covering more than 50 countries and regions including Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and South America, providing high-quality products and services to more than 30,000 customers and winning wide acclaim in overseas markets. The influence of the Fudeng brand has been steadily increasing, occupying a certain share in multiple target markets. Looking ahead, Fudeng Machinery will continue to deepen its presence in the field of second-hand construction machinery. By constantly improving equipment quality and service standards, it will contribute to global infrastructure construction,